The secret to pink salt and losing weight. TikTok says pink salt melts fat. But is it real or just viral hype? The truth about salt might flip your fat loss game upside down. But here's the real problem. Used wrong. Even pink salt backfires. That's the hidden reason it can cause more weight gain. Here's what nobody's explaining, and where most people mess up. When most people think of weight loss, salt is the last thing on their minds. In fact, it's usually something they try to cut out completely. But here's the twist. Himalayan pink salt, when used correctly, can fire up your metabolism, balance hormones, and cut cravings fast. But there's a catch, and that's what we're uncovering today. Most people are using salt all wrong. Most of us have been trained to fear salt. They all say the same thing: cut salt to lose weight, which is like trying to fix your engine by draining the oil. And sure, too much of the wrong salt is harmful, especially the ultra-refined bleached table salt that's stripped of minerals. But the truth is, our bodies need salt to function. And when we deprive ourselves of the right kind, especially mineral-rich pink salt, we throw our system off balance. Here's why that matters. Your body relies on sodium to control hydration, muscle movement, nerves, and digestion. When you don't get enough of the right kind of salt, your adrenal glands start to struggle. And when that happens, your stress hormone, cortisol, spikes, which leads to increased belly fat, fatigue, cravings, and slowed metabolism. So instead of helping your body burn fat, a low-salt diet might actually make you store more of it. If this changes how you think about salt, hit like and subscribe. We drop no-fluff holistic health tips every week. Alright, let's keep going. Pink salt versus table salt. Why it matters for weight loss. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, Himalayan pink salt. This stuff isn't just pretty to look at. It's mined from ancient seabeds in the Himalayas and contains over 84 trace minerals, including magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. These minerals aren't just there for decoration. They play a key role in metabolism, muscle repair, digestion, and even hormone balance. Here's the science. Magnesium helps convert food into energy and regulates insulin levels. Potassium supports fluid balance and muscle function. Calcium assists with fat metabolism and nerve signaling. Iron is crucial for oxygen delivery, which affects energy and endurance during workouts. That combo fuels fat burning at every level. In contrast, regular table salt, which is chemically cleaned, bleached, and stripped down to just sodium and chloride, sometimes mixed with anti-caking agents like aluminum, no minerals, no benefits, just bloat and blood pressure spikes. Does pink salt cause bloating? The truth about water retention. One of the biggest myths out there is that salt causes bloating. But here's what no one tells you. It's not the salt itself. It's the imbalance of sodium and potassium in your diet. When you eat processed food full of sodium and low in potassium, yes, you retain water. But when you use mineral-rich pink salt and eat a potassium-rich diet, think leafy greens, bananas, avocados, your body naturally balances fluids. So instead of puffy fingers, you get better hydration, improved muscle tone, and a leaner look, because your cells are functioning efficiently. Think salt makes you fat? Think again. Here's how pink salt actually helps burn fat. How pink salt supports weight loss. So, what can pink salt actually do for fat loss? Let's break it into 4 real wins. 1. Balances blood sugar naturally. Pink salt supports insulin regulation, reducing crashes and cravings without the sugar roller coaster. This makes it easier to stick to your eating plan, without the 3 p.m. crash that sends you diving for cookies. 2. Boosts digestive function. A pinch of pink salt before meals can trigger stomach acid production, helping you break down food better. This means less bloating, more nutrient absorption, and a faster-moving metabolism. 3. Improves sleep and recovery. Pink salt is rich in magnesium, and magnesium calms the nervous system. Better sleep equals better fat burning and hormone regulation. A sprinkle of pink salt in warm lemon water before bed. That's a sleep hack most people don't know about. 4. Reduces stress hormones. Salt supports adrenal function, which helps regulate cortisol. Lower cortisol means less belly fat, fewer mood swings, and fewer emotional eating episodes. How to use pink salt for fat loss. The right way. Let's be real. Dumping pink salt on junk food won't trick your metabolism. Here's what actually works. Morning electrolyte drink. Mix 1/4 teaspoon pink salt, plus juice of half lemon plus 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar in warm water. Drink it first thing in the morning. This helps flush toxins, supports digestion, and kicks your metabolism into gear. Pre-meal salt shot. Optional. A pinch of pink salt on the tongue before meals can stimulate digestive enzymes. This is especially helpful if you deal with bloating or sluggish digestion. Evening detox. Water. Warm water plus pink salt plus a dash of cinnamon or ginger powder. Calms the nervous system and keeps sugar cravings in check before bed. Cooking. Replace all regular salt in your food with pink salt. Start small and adjust the taste. Your body will thank you. Pro tip. Always go for pure, unrefined Himalayan pink salt, not the ones with added chemicals or anti-caking agents. Read the label. If it has more than Himalayan pink salt as the ingredient, skip it. What happens in 7 days of pink salt? Here's where it gets exciting. If you start using pink salt consistently and cut out processed sodium, here's what you might notice in just 7 to 10 days. Less bloating, clearer skin, deeper sleep, more stable energy, reduced cravings, and yes, even some movement on the scale. It's not magic, it's just your body finally getting the minerals and balance it needs to function properly. This is why I always say, weight loss isn't about eating less, it's about healing more. Holistic wellness. Pink salt isn't the whole picture, but it's one powerful piece most people overlook. Why pink salt deserves a spot in your routine. Let's wrap it up. Himalayan pink salt supports digestion, hydration, metabolism, and hormone balance. It's packed with minerals your body actually needs to burn fat and fight cravings. Most people use salt the wrong way, or cut it out completely, and wreck their adrenal health in the process. A simple shift like switching your salt and using it strategically can unlock big changes in your weight loss journey. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share this with someone doing everything right, but still stuck. This could be the piece they've missed. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're just getting started with truth over trends and real healing that lasts. See you in the next one.